Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is extra special because my family and I are in the beautiful Alleppey for a fun-filled family picnic. We have got a day packed with adventure, laughter, and of course, some amazing sights. So grab a snack, get comfy, and join us as we explore this gorgeous destination together. Let's dive in. Alleppey, also known as Alappuzha. It's a picturesque town in the southern India, the state of Kerala. Alleppey is located on the southwestern coast of India, situated between the Arabian Sea and a network of backwaters. The town is renowned for its stunning backwaters, houseboat cruises, and lush green landscapes. It's often referred to as the Venice of the East. The history of Alleppey or the Alappuzha is rich and diverse, reflecting its significance as a major trading center and its cultural heritage. The region around Alleppey has been inhabited for centuries, with evidence of ancient trade routes and settlements. The backwaters and waterways made it an ideal location for trade and transportation. During the ancient times, Alleppey was an important trading port. Its strategic location on the Arabian Sea allowed it to engage in maritime trade with various parts of the world, including the Middle East and Africa. The arrival of European colonizers in the 16th century marked a significant period in Alleppey's history. The Portuguese first, followed by the Dutch, established trading posts and influenced the region's economic and cultural landscape. By the 19th century, Alleppey came under British control as a part of the larger princely state of Travancore. The British period saw the development of infrastructure, including the construction of roads and bridges that improved connectivity. The town of Alleppey was officially established in 1770 by the then Maharaja of Travancore. It was designed as a planned town with canals and waterways to facilitate trade and transportation. After India's independence in 1947, Alleppey saw a surge in tourism, especially as Kerala as a whole began to gain recognition for its backwater tourism. The development of houseboats and ecotourism has been central to its modern identity. In the recent years, there has been a focus on sustainable tourism and preventing the ecological balance of the backwaters, as well as maintaining the cultural heritage of the region. Alleppey's history is a tapestry of ancient trade, colonial influence, and modern tourism, making it a vibrant and historical rich destination in Kerala. Alright everyone, that's a wrap up on our fantastic day here in Alleppey. We had such a great time exploring the beautiful backwaters, enjoying the delicious local food and making unforgettable memories with the family. If you enjoyed this video as much as we did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more adventurous and family fun. Thank you for watching.